5 Indian finance hacks to save 10,000 rupees per month. Intro. Hook. Most Indians can easily save 10,000 rupees every month, but they don't because of 5 simple mistakes. In this video, I'll show you 5 smart money hacks that actually work for Indian professionals. 1. Track your spending using the 20-second rule. Before buying anything, pause for 20 seconds and ask yourself, do I really need this or is it impulse? This simple pause reduces unnecessary spending by almost 30%. 2. Use zero annual fee credit cards. Only many Indians pay yearly charges without noticing. Switch to zero fee cards like SBI Simply Click, Axis Ace or HDFC Money Back. This alone saves 2 to 5,000 rupees a year. 3. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to essentials, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and 20% to investments. Stick to this for 6 months and your savings become automatic. 4. Automate your SIPs and payments. Start a small SIP of 500 or 1000 rupees. Automation removes the emotional decision and builds discipline. 5. Stop these 3 money leaks immediately. Number 1. Unused subscriptions. Number 2. Late night UPI impulse spending. Number 3. Food delivery apps. The biggest silent money killer. Outro. If you found this useful, tap the like button and subscribe to NeoSmart Vedic, where smart money, AI tools and modern productivity come together.